Hey guys, it's David from Be More Social, and what I'm really excited to tell you is we are recruiting. We are looking for someone to join our creative team who's dynamic, who's vibrant, who's got energy, and is ready to kind of create content for our clients and really help the team out in growing and taking it forward. So what we're looking for is someone who's got a creative mind and really understands the basics of the Adobe suite. So Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign, these platforms speak to you and you understand them, and you've got a real passion for creating good quality content for clients. So if that sounds like something that you're interested in, come and be a part of our team. Come and join this dynamic, energetic, young, Google-like office environment where we're kind of building a culture where we all want to achieve success and also the business success as well. So all you've got to do is go to the website, fill in the application and add your CV, and we'll be in touch.